Hello, I'm misamadoka. Today I'm going to show you cute outfits from Cosfun. Brand is Bobon21 and you can write Bon21hiz in their website and you can see their product. And it has arrived in the box and their package is very cute and very neat. I like the design of their package. Bon21hiz, you can see it. I received a knit top and a knit skirt. Also same color and a really cute design. I love them. This top is very cute about their pom-poms in the neck and also in the sleeves. It's removable. You can wear on or you can take off. And the button over in the neck you can remove and it's more easy to wear the clothes. And you can see the official tag. And here is the skirt. It's really cute. The front have pockets. And I love their details. The ribbon is sold, so cannot remove. And the front buttons are just a decoration, cannot open, but the side have a zipper. And the inside have a short, so it's very comfort and I feel very secure. Despite this skirt is short, but you don't need to feel worried. And the back and the pockets are just a decoration. My dog is checking my new outfit. Her name is Pochi. And you can see the front button is decoration, but the side have a zipper like this. It's very easy to wear and very stretchy fabric. In the front have a pocket, as I said. And the back is just decoration. And also here you can see the official tags. And here is the preview for how look in real. And it's a really cute design. I recommend for who like sweet cute style. And I actually see very similar products in AliExpress, so I wonder and I contact this brand, but they say all those products are nothing related to with our store, so that means all are unofficial in AliExpress, so I don't recommend you to buy in AliExpress about the Bobon21 product. So if you wanna get the official one and a good quality one, I recommend you to buy in Cosfun or directly from their official online store. And on Cosfun you can find many types of cute outfits. So if you like fashion, please go to cosfun.com and see what you like. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Muchas gracias por mirar mi video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye bye. Linda día.